Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Grim Report. How's everybody doing? Yeah, as you can see, yes, in the corner to my right, there is a Bigfoot crossing zone or exiting zone. Well, this is a Bigfoot Bigfoot sighting report was reported on a Saturday night, Interstate 80 near North Pallet. Harriet McFeely of Hastings said she and her friend Robin Roberts of Colorado were driving back from Ohama on Saturday. McFeely said Roberts dropped her off in Hastings and went on her way. A little while later, McFeely said Roberts called her and was excited. Roberts told McFeely that she saw a Bigfoot. She said